guys, welcome to my channel, or welcome back if you've been here before. So today we're testing out something so new that I can't find it on the internet. I was very kindly sent this from Influenster for testing purposes, and I don't know where it is on the internet, but it's that new that I can't find it. And it is the NYX Blush Wonder Stick. It's so cute. I am so excited. I have mine in the shade light peach and baby pink. That's like the combo that I have. I have no idea how much this is going to cost. I assume probably around $12 like the contour one that they have, but I don't know, but we're gonna test it out today and I'm so excited. So this is what it looks like. This is what we have on one side. Kind of looks like a lipstick. It's cute. And there's the color we have on the other side. It's very bright. Oh my goodness. Based on my little card, it says apply the light shade to the high points of the cheeks and the darker shade to the apples of the cheeks and blend. Okay, so we're gonna do what this picture says to do because I really just don't know, but we're gonna give it a shot. I don't think I've ever actually tried the NYX contour stick before, so I don't really know what to expect. So we want the dark here, and then the light here. And then the light here. I don't want to add too, oh my gosh, did I just mark? No, I didn't. Okay. I don't want to add too much, but I want to do what they did in the picture and see how that looks. Okay. I'm getting confused. All right. How's that? I guess I probably should zoom you guys in. I'm just going to take my e.l.f. Putty Blush brush to blend this in. What was that? A fuzz? My bad. Okay, this is kind of cute, though. Like, it's a lot. I added a lot, but I was just trying to do what they did in the picture. I think it's definitely going to be a lot on my nose. Oh, no. Oh, no. Definitely a lot on my nose, but that blended out really nice. I mean, look at that. Like, yes, it's a lot of blush. I like a lot of blush, so that's fine with me, but that blended out like a dream. And you guys saw like how long I left it on my face. Well, actually you didn't. I left that on my face for a long time because I had to get like a thumbnail too. So I left that on my face for a while. Like I left that on my face for a long time and it still blended like beautifully. Oh, I'm so excited. I can't wait for this to be on the market so I can buy more shades. Yeah, this is stunning. I know this is gonna be like a super short video, but I really wanted to do a video on it because it's such a new product and like I haven't seen any reviews on this yet. It says that the color shapes and blends like a wonder. I agree with that. It's blendable and creamy for sure. I mean, look at this. Stunning. Formulated with hyaluronic acid, which is probably why it blends so creamily and why I have this nice like dewy glow on my cheeks, which I love. It like this would be perfect for like a no makeup day. Just add some blush on your cheeks. And it's vegan and cruelty free, which I believe all of NYX is vegan and cruelty free. So once this is available online, maybe before this video goes up, I will link it down below so you guys can check this out. I am so thankful the influencer sent me this. I'm gonna go finish the rest of my makeup and then we'll finish this video. I'm excited. This is so good. Okay, so while I was doing my highlighter, I noticed this right here. I believe this is a mark from where I like marked the blush down, that it has removed like my other makeup. I don't see it on this side, but it's also like my bad eye. I can't really see. I might see it when I'm editing this video. I don't know. But yeah, right there, it just like completely destroyed the makeup that was underneath it. Or maybe it's this freaking sponge. I don't know. It might be the sponge. But it was either the blush or the sponge that just completely destroyed that whole spot of makeup. Okay, I'm back and my makeup is done, and I really like this blush. I hope that this wasn't the problem. I hope that it was just my sponge. I was trying out a new sponge today, so maybe it was just my sponge that made it like go completely patchy. I don't know. It didn't do it on this side that I can see, but this blush looks really, really cute. And like, I feel like even though it looked like it was really intense, I don't feel like it looks super intense now, which is great. So yeah, I don't feel like it looks intense. I don't feel like it looks like absolutely crazy. I felt like I put a lot on, but now it's like toned down. I don't know. What do you guys think? And does anyone know when this goes on the market? I mean, maybe it'll already be on the market when I post this video. I have no idea. But yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed this very short, quick little testing video. And yeah, let me know if you guys are interested in buying this when it comes out, because I definitely want to get more of them, especially if they're only like $12, which I feel like they wouldn't be too much more than that since that's what the contour stick is. I mean, if it's like $12, then sure. Yeah, I'll definitely go for it. I mean, this is really cute, and I hope they come out with a bunch of shades. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed. Please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I would greatly appreciate that. And yeah, I try to post new videos every single week, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!